Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is all about brush cleansing. Brush cleansers, Sigma, their new Sigmagic scrub. This retails for $19. You can use my discount code Tiffany to get it for $17. It is 100% natural, solid makeup brush cleanser. This is a 2-in-1 deep cleans makeup brushes quickly and easily. This is the best thing ever. I love this. So much easier with the brushes. So much easier to clean your brushes. So this is how small it is. So it's, easy to travel with if you want to travel with it. Easy to apply it onto your sink or put it away. This is so cute. Anyways, so here it is. Some cute little packaging. I love that little packaging. So we're going to open it up to see how it looks inside. So it comes with a little paper, of course, like instructions. So here it is. It has some soap, and then you can feel the textures. It's silicone textures to scrub away dirt and germs. It has secure suction cups to secure it in the sink. It's perfect size to put it anywhere. It comes with instructions, tells you little details on it, directions on how to use it. Let's go ahead and secure this baby on the sink. Test it out, try it out. See how easy that was? Fits perfectly. So that's my first brush. Look at that dirty brush. Ooh. So let's see how this works. Going to wet my brush first. Come on, wet it. Gonna wet it really good. Then I'm gonna start in circular motions. Look at that. And the silicone textures help scrub off all the makeup, germs, dirt on my brush. Look at how clean it's leaving it. Look at how soapy I got. I'm amazed on how easy this thing is. I mean, I need to order a lot more to never run out of this. Look at how soft it looks. Now I'm going to rinse it really good. Squeeze out the excess soap. Make sure there's no soap in there. Squeeze out the excess water. And you got a clean brush. Here is my next brush. It's an eye brush with some eyeshadow on it. Not that much. Going to wet it. Always wet your brushes before you attempt to wash it with soap. And then we're going to do circular motions. Let me zoom you guys in so you guys can see a closer look. So those silicone textures are scrubbing off all that dirt and makeup and germs. Look at how soapy. Look at how clean. I'm telling you guys, I'm obsessed with this. You make sure you guys get this. I'll leave the link in the description box. Use code Tiffany, save you some money. Get some brushes while you're at it. Get some makeup. Buy more than one of these. Because I'm telling you, you're going to fall in love with this. Look at how clean that brush is. Loving this. Next, foundation brushes. Ooh, and those are really hard to clean. Look at that. I'm going to wet it, of course. Going to wet it really good. Now, onto the scrubbing. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Take all that foundation off. what's your go-to brush cleansers? Let me know in the comments. Look at that, nice and soapy. Now we're going to rinse it really good. Take all the excess soap off. Okay, now we're going to squeeze all the excess water and just show you how clean compared to how it was. Goodness gracious, man. I'm telling you guys, I love this cleanser. This is eyeliner. So let's see how this scrub takes off that eyeliner. Going to scrub. Look at all that black. You know, sometimes brushes stain. Well, just watch. I tested out with bright color, I tested out with eyeliner. Let me know what else you guys want me to test out on this thing. I'll be happy to do a video on it. Look at how clean that brush. Okay, look at this bright color on this. Just check this out. I wet my brush already and I'm doing circular motions. Circles. Scrubbing that. I mean, look at that. I can't believe how much I love this. I don't think I'm ever gonna go back to my other stuff. This is so much easier to set up and to put away. Going to rinse off my brush, take off that soap, and look at how clean that is. No more green or bluish eyeshadow. And this is just, you just rinse off and it's good as new. Another foundation brush, guys. This is so amazing. I am loving this. Sorry, I keep saying that. I'll let you guys enjoy this video. have to just do one at a time. You can do 3 at a time, 4 at a time, however many brushes fits in your hand. So we're going to rinse them, put them together, and start scrubbing away in circular motions. Here we go. Zoom in. Now you can see the silicone textures a lot more now that I've brushed. I already washed like a lot of brushes. So as you can see how it scrubs it, it's just like using one of the Sigma mats, but this one has soap already on it. So just scrub, scrub, scrub. So now we're going to rinse those brushes, take off the excess soap, take off the excess water, and then boom, you have some clean brushes. So you just rinse off the scrub just like that. Just to clean it, take it off the sink. It's a little bit hard sometimes. I love these sections. Look at that, and you can see the silicone texture is really good now since I use a lot of the soap. Just like the ones on the mats, the Sigma mats. And then all you do is close it and just store it away. This is not the best way to dry your brushes. Boom, this is upside down. Love this Sigma tower. Elastic band dries them faster and reshapes them. Love it. Don't forget to use discount code Tiffany to save you some money on Sigma products. The link is down below to start shopping. And that completes this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys soon. Bye.